Hello everyone, today we are comparing the latest smartphones. The iPhone 17, iPhone 17, 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. All mobiles come with an IP68 rating. Display features. iPhone 17 Air comes with 6.5 inches OLED display. iPhone 17 and 17 Pro come with 6.3 inches OLED display. And the iPhone 17 Pro Max comes with 6.9 inches OLED display. Next, compare the hardware features. All mobiles are powered by the Apple A19 chipset. Camera features. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. These devices include 5G connectivity, studio speakers and Bluetooth 6. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.